General knowledge important MCQs regarding educational tests. The first country to introduce old age pension, Germany. The first country to introduce paper currency, China. The first country to introduce 8-hour work day, Denmark. The first country to introduce soccer in Europe, Switzerland. The first country to introduce supersonic transport aircraft, Russia. The first country to introduce nuclear weapons, USA. The first country to introduce license plates, France. The first country to introduce the concept of democracy, Greece. The first country to introduce the decimal number system, India. The first country to introduce the printing press, China. The first country to introduce universal suffrage for women, New Zealand. The first country to introduce the concept of public education, Germany. The first country, the first to introduce the internet, United States. The first country to introduce concept of national parks, United States. Hope you like this knowledge and this video also. So keep supporting us by subscribing our channel. Thank you.